Hi and welcome to this Query Elements tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can configure the archive widget and the archive page. Here we have an archive page for the post type cafes. And it looks pretty bad. So let's go into Elementor and create an archive page. Click New and select Archive. Let's call it our cafes. And create it. Let's close the template window. Now we want to select the correct preview setting. We want to use Cafes Archive. And we want to apply in preview. Let's add our archive widget. And if we go to the Query tab, you can see it says Editing Archive for Posts. This is because it has not properly detected our previous settings change. So let's save as draft and refresh. Now it says, as you can see, Editing Archive for Cafes. Let's set our display conditions. And we want to exclude the search results page. Save and close. Let's view the live site. And as you can see, here is our archive page with the various cafes. But the order is a little bit bad, so let's sort them by cafe title. Let's go back to Elementor and go to the query order section and let's change it to title. And it should be ascending. Let's click update. Let's review. As you can see, it's now sorted by title. We can also add the archive paging. Let's do that. Let's duplicate it. So we have paging on the top and at the bottom. Let's change the archive widget to just show 2 cafes at once. Let's update and go back to our archive page. As you can see, only 2 cafes are shown. And if we click our navigation, it changes both at the top and at the bottom. This is a quick example on how you can set up the archive widget with the archive page. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below, and have a nice day.